Hello everyone, how are you? So today we will cook mixed vegetables, very simple and easy recipe to cook a delicious food. So let's start. First of all, we add little oil, add some chopped onion to medium is more than enough. Fry for some time, then we add chopped garlic and green chili inside. Fry it for some time. Let it fry. After getting fried, we will add tomato. It should be frozen and chopped. It will mix very well inside. Fry it for some time, then we will add some yogurt, at least 2 tablespoons. It will give very good taste inside the food, so we will fry it little to get it mixed. Now we add salt. We add turmeric inside. Then we add the red chili. If you don't want red chili, you can add the black pepper also, no problem, doesn't matter, it will give the same taste. Then we add black seeds inside. Fry it for some time, so everything should be get properly mixed, especially the yogurt which we added, it should be properly mixed inside. So you can see it's very well cooked. So now we will add vegetables. These are mixed vegetables we will add inside. We will fry it for some time. In this one I have potato, I have beans, I have green peas and carrots. It's up to you which kind of foods vegetables you want to add inside. We will fry it little. Now you can see it's get fried. So after this we will add water inside. And we will let it cook for some time on very low flame. 15 to 20 minutes is more than enough. So you can see our vegetables are ready now. It's already soft. Just we'll check it out. And now we can take out in other pan. So you can see our vegetables are ready. Delicious vegetables. You should try it. So hope you like my video. We'll see. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you very much.